Ito ang food ni Tingting. I-prepare ko. Tapos yan, naghihintay oh. Oh. He's waiting his food. But I still preparing his food. I cut the chicken. Chicken breast, I mean. It's not the chicken. Chicken breast. And then he's waiting. Okay, I give you a little bit. Okay. This is your food. He's waiting, but I'm still preparing his food. Okay, give you more, one more, because he's waiting. So while I'm preparing his food, I give him a little bit chicken breast. Later he'll run outside. Later I mix first, okay? This one is a pumpkin, very good, and chicken breast. Okay, one more. Go wait outside. Go outside. Go. She knows. If I sabihin ko, sorry guys. Okay, sit down. Sit. Sit down, good boy. Wait. What are you doing? Okay, go. Go to eat. Go to eat. We need my hand before he eat. Okay, go. Yes, good boy. Bye-bye, guys.